Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add timestamps to a photo in EPIK photo editor. So this is actually a new feature from EPIK, and you can see if you open EPIK, there will be a timestamp feature, and if you click on the timestamp, you can just choose the photo. For example, I want to use this photo, and then after that EPIK will be directing you to this timestamp feature, and you can just choose which one of the timestamp format that you want to use, and you can also change the time set into the original time, the current time, or the manual settings. So I'm going to choose the original time, and then after that I'm going to choose the timestamp format. For example, I want to use this one. So just click on a timestamp and it will be loading like this. You can just wait until it's successfully added to your photo. Okay, so for example, I want to place it in here. Then you can also resize it like this, and when you're satisfied with the result, you can just go back, and just like that the timestamp will be added. And if you want to export, you can just click on the arrow down here. Okay guys, so that's all. If you got any question, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if the video is helpful, remember to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.